Hello, wonderful viewers. Today, we're about to embark on a journey into the heart of one of the most cherished remedies known to humanity, chicken soup. Beyond its delightful aroma and soul-soothing taste, this culinary classic has been a source of comfort for generations. But what if I told you that its soothing qualities extend beyond the kitchen, potentially offering a boost to our immune system? So, grab a cozy blanket, settle into your favorite chair, and join me as we unravel the story behind chicken soup, exploring its rich history, the nutritional magic within, and the fascinating ways it may just be your body's ally in the quest for immune support. Before we delve into the science behind chicken soup's potential benefits, let's take a stroll down the historical boulevard of this beloved comfort food. Chicken soup, often referred to as Jewish penicillin, has roots deeply embedded in tradition and cultural practices. Dating back centuries, across various cultures, chicken soup has been a staple in kitchens around the world. Its origins are often intertwined with the nurturing instinct, as mothers and grandmothers passed down their cherished recipes as a remedy for the common cold or a comforting elixir during times of illness. In Jewish culture, chicken soup is a symbol of care and healing. Its association with healing properties became so widespread that it transcended cultural boundaries, becoming a go-to remedy in households globally. Beyond its comforting taste, this timeless remedy packs a nutritional punch that goes far beyond what meets the eye. At the core of chicken soup's nutritional value is, of course, the star ingredient, chicken. This lean protein source provides essential amino acids, crucial for various bodily functions, including immune support. The slow simmering of the chicken bones extracts collagen, gelatin, and minerals, creating a broth that not only imparts a rich flavor but also contributes to the nutritional profile of the soup. Vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions, commonly found in chicken soup recipes, bring a medley of vitamins and antioxidants to the table. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene, convert to vitamin A, promoting healthy skin and mucous membranes, crucial components of our immune defense. Beyond its flavorful embrace, chicken soup provides a hydrating foundation that can play a crucial role in supporting our immune function. Proper hydration is essential for overall health, and maintaining adequate fluid balance is particularly important for supporting the immune system. When we're dealing with common illnesses like colds or flus, staying hydrated becomes even more critical. The warmth of the soup, coupled with the hydrating broth, can soothe a sore throat and alleviate congestion, providing relief during times of discomfort. Additionally, hydration is vital for the optimal function of immune cells. The fluid environment helps transport nutrients and oxygen to cells, facilitating their efficient functioning. Think of chicken soup not just as a delicious comfort food but as a source of hydration that complements your body's natural defenses. The ingredients carefully simmered in your pot of chicken soup may hold the key to soothing inflammation within the body. Several components contribute to the anti-inflammatory potential of chicken soup. Let's start with garlic, a culinary powerhouse that contains allicin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. The inclusion of garlic in your soup not only enhances the flavor but also brings a potential boost to your body's defense against inflammation. Another hero in our soup narrative is the broth itself, enriched with collagen and gelatin extracted from simmering chicken bones. These compounds may have anti-inflammatory effects, supporting joint health and potentially alleviating discomfort associated with inflammation. The combination of vegetables, such as celery and onions, adds a variety of antioxidants to the mix. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, a contributing factor to inflammation in the body. It's essential to note that while chicken soup may offer these potential anti-inflammatory benefits, it is not a cure-all. It can be a complementary addition to an overall healthy lifestyle and may provide comfort during times of illness. As we come to the end of our journey into the heartwarming world of chicken soup, I hope you've enjoyed this exploration as much as I have. If you found this video informative and enjoyed our culinary adventure, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming explorations into the fascinating world of health. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.